Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Start menu not working problem. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is press Ctrl Alt Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, PowerShell, check Create this task with administrative privileges, click OK. Copy command from description and paste it. Third method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type c:system32/ctfmon.exe, check Create this task with administrative privileges, click OK. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar, click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Click Next. Check ISO file, click Next. Select Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.